In this video we're going to be updating OpenCart to the latest version via our control panel. So to do that we need to log into our control panel, and that's usually at cpanel.yourdomainname. For instance, for feras.com it's cpanel.feras.com. Put in a password here. Now in our control panel we scroll down the page until we come to Sofcalis app installers, and as we'll see there is one update available. So we simply click on the update, and here it's telling us the update is an OpenCart update for feras.com. So here we're showing our current version, and it's 1.5.6, and we've got this little refresh icon here. So if we just hold the mouse over this refresh icon, and as you see it's a little pop-up there saying upgrade to version 1.5.6. so we just simply click on this and we come into the software upgrade page, and from here we're going to want to create a backup before updating. So we just tick this little box here and simply click upgrade. Here it's telling us to visit feras.com/install/index.php. So we've got to click on this and follow the steps that were shown there. Just an important note here is if we're showing any token errors after upgrading, we just have to clear our cache. So let's go over to our install, and now here the first thing we see is a list of 6 things to do, and basically it's asking us to post any upgrade script error problems in the forums, and what they're basically telling us to do is to go in here to our forums, which is the support forum here, and click on this. It brings us over to OpenCart's support forum, and if we have problems here, a lot of the time we can already see the answers in the forums here to the problems from other users. And also it's telling us again to clear our browser. Then we're told to load our admin page, which is our normal admin page, feras.com/admin, and hold down the control button at the bottom left of the keyboard, and while holding it down press the F5 button twice, and that forces the browser to update the cascading style sheet changes, or the CSS changes. Then we've got to go to admin, users, user groups, and edit the top administrator group by checking all the boxes. What they mean by that is, do this, I'll just show you now. We have to check all boxes there. So we go to admin. From here we go to system, users, and user groups. From here we edit the top administrator, and we just make sure that everything is selected. So we just unselect all and then select all again and click save. Just while we are here, I might point out the demonstration store is still here, so I'm going to tick this, just the demonstration store box here, and click delete, just to delete the demo store, and click OK. So on step 5 here, again we go to our admin, which is the back end of our site, and edit the main system settings, and basically we update all fields and click save. Even if nothing seems to have changed, we just go back and do that. So we go into system, settings, edit. So in the settings here we just go through each tab and make sure that our settings are as we had originally set them up, and then simply click save. Next, now in item 6 we've got to load our storefront, our normal domain name, and again press Ctrl and F5 twice. This will update the CSS changes here. After we've done steps 1 to 6 we click continue here, and we're met with our congratulatory page saying that our OpenCart has been updated, and basically it's saying don't forget to delete your installation directory. Now to delete the installation directory we're going to have to go into our control panel and delete the file manually. So back into our control panel now, and we're going to go to the control panel via here. Now we scroll down just a little bit until we come to File Manager under the Files tab here. So we click on a File Manager, and in our public_HTML folder, that's where we will find our domain. And here is our installed folder. So we just click on that and just simply go up here and delete it. It's going to ask us if we're sure we want to delete it, so we click yes. I'm just going to go over to the front of the store and just make sure everything is okay there. Everything's good there, and just going to refresh here on the back end of the store just to make sure we're not getting this message. No, it's gone. So that's it. Basically now we have upgraded to version 1.5.61 from 1.5.6. The same principle applies for future versions of the 1.5 and for the versions that OpenCart bring out.